Hello my friends and welcome to Try This on the Banjo, episode 2. Thank you so much for joining me. My Try This on the Banjo series is all about reminders, fundamentals, philosophies, challenges that will make you better at the banjo. Perhaps you didn't look at something a certain way. You always thought, well, I just do it this way, I've always done it that way. We're here to challenge that thinking a little bit or to solidify some of the fundamentals that we might have forgotten along the way. Today what we're going to be looking at is the sustained slide. Now if you're new or old to the banjo, chances are you know what a slide is. A slide is where you are playing a string, fretting the string, and then you are sliding that after you pluck the string. So we're actually plucking it one time and then we get a sound whenever we move it. We have our sound when we play it and then our sound when we slide. You can even slide down. Sounds like a good song. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at sustaining that slide, and what that's going to do is that's going to give us a better sound to the songs that we are working on. Perhaps you feel like you're not getting enough out of the song that you're playing, or the melody just doesn't sound right. Something is wrong. The slides you're playing aren't adding up with how the rest of the song is. If that is the case for you, then you have come to the right video, because I think this will really help make the slides a very good ornament of the song that you're playing and not a hindrance. So let's take a look. Okay, so we're going to take the song You Are My Sunshine. That's a classic that many people know. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the slides there. As I pluck that middle string, that G, I'm plucking the string and then I'm sliding. I'm getting those two sounds. This is one thing I see is a lot of people, they pull that finger off too quickly. Don't pull your finger off quickly. Figuratively speaking, of course. We want to keep that finger down as long as we can. So if I'm playing You Are My Sunshine and I go, I pulled it off too quick. How about I keep that down? There we go. I'm actually playing these, I'm rolling on this top string and these bottom two strings, so this middle string, I'm not even playing it after that slide until a couple of measures later. So I don't need to take it off. I can actually leave it on. Aha! Imagine that. So let's try it again. Haha! Pretty cool, huh? I'm not pulling that off. I pull that off really quick. Sometimes it can deaden that string and it doesn't ring true with the rest of the melody. So let's try it again. So you can see there I get a different sound because I'm holding that down. We don't have to pull it off. We can leave it, which is pretty cool. Try this on the banjo, the sustained slide. Don't be in a hurry to take your finger off the fretboard after a slide or even a hammer-on, and you'll get that sustained note throughout the melody. And I think it'll make the song sound a lot better. There you go, my friends. Thank you for watching. I will catch you next time. Go drink some coffee, some tea, sweet tea, and we will talk later. Peace out.